Hi everyone, I'm going to give you an introduction to how to log your reading on Beanstack on the Beanstack Mobile app. The app is available on the App Store or on Google Play, and it can be downloaded for free. Once you're in the app, it's pretty easy to get to the logging page. At the top right-hand corner, you can see which reader you would be logging for. If you have multiple readers on the same account, click the initials at the top to see all of your readers. Then click on whichever one you need. Before you log for the first time, click the Discover tab to make sure that you're registered for the summer reading program. If it's not listed under your challenges, scroll down to More Challenges, click on it, and then hit Join Challenge. To log your reading, click the plus sign on the bottom of the screen. Then click Reading. A window will open which shows you which reader or readers you'd like to log for. Once you've selected them, click Choose Readers. Since our program works in minutes, you don't have to log a title, so you can click Log without a title. You can log the reading that you did today, or if you'd like to record for another day, click Change next to the Date option. Select the day you want to log for, and then press Save Date. In the first box, put the number of minutes that you'd like to record. You might have to press on the space above the keyboard to get it to go away. Don't worry about the lines that ask how many pages you've read or how many books you've completed. When you click Done, a little green box should show up saying that your reading has been successfully logged.